Negotiating roundabouts successfully is an area of driving that most people will get confused with, and it is not exclusive to learner drivers but experienced drivers as well. The roundabouts have one major advantage over other junctions in that they enable traffic to continue flowing, unlike a traffic light, which is a stop-go system. Today our Chief Instructor David McDonnell will show you one way of successfully completing a series of roundabouts. Approaching a roundabout. You must check all 3 mirrors well in advance and signal your intention clearly and take up position in the appropriate lane, whether it is single, dual or multi-lane approach. It is essential that the approach to the roundabout is in the correct lane if you intend to take a particular exit from the roundabout. Making this decision as early as possible will be of great benefit to you and others around you. Take note of and act on all information available to you from traffic lights, signs and road markings. Always adjust your speed accordingly on approach to allow you to blend in and keep the traffic flowing if safe to do so. Pay particular attention to vulnerable road users like cyclists and pedestrians who can sometimes make sudden last-minute decisions at roundabouts. If you're queuing on approach, make sure that the vehicle in front of you has moved off before you advance forward. When you reach the roundabout, priority should be given to traffic approaching from the right, unless directed otherwise by road signs, markings, traffic lights or Gardaí. Pay particular attention to other road users' signals and try and judge where they plan to exit. Be aware, some road users don't use or understand the correct system of signal use at roundabouts. If you're unsure, just wait. You should pay particular attention to vehicles directly on either side of you and also looking in the direction of each entrance leading onto the roundabout. There may be emergency vehicles, stolen vehicles or road users travelling through without undue care or attention. Make sure to time your signal correctly as you do not want to mislead any other road users. Always drive at a speed that you can stop within the distance you can see to be clear. And finally, check all your mirrors, signal your intention and leave the roundabout safely. Unless road signs, markings, roadworks or Gardaí direct you otherwise, you should follow the steps taken here to successfully complete the roundabout. Making a left turn. First exit. You should approach in the left-hand lane, check all mirrors, signal left and keep reasonably close to the curb and continue signalling until you have completed your turn. Going straight ahead, second exit. You would again approach in the left-hand lane. Check all mirrors. No signal is required on approach, however you must signal left after you have passed your first exit. Taking a right turn, third exit or subsequent exit. Check all mirrors and signal right on approach. Keep into the right on the roundabout and signal left when you have passed the second or final exit before you intend leaving the roundabout. Where there are multi-lanes at the entrance to a roundabout, use the most appropriate lane on approach and through it. The main aim of introducing signal control is to improve operational efficiency by reducing congestion and also providing all road users with the maximum degree of safety and convenience, as well as providing a better balance of queues between the entrance and exit roads. Traffic signals are not recommended where speeds on all approaches exceeds the 100 km an hour. High approach speeds can result in difficult decisions for drivers when lights change from green to amber, and right-turning drivers may misjudge gaps between oncoming vehicles. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Should you have any further questions for David, please feel free to contact the number on screen. We would love to hear from you.